Our next term is homonyms. Homonyms. What is a homonym? Homo means likeness, sameness. A homonym is a word having the same pronunciation as another word but a different spelling and a different meaning. Like sound is the same. Like we have the example here, RIGHT right and WRITE right. One right is completely different in meaning, that is right means seedha, and the other is right means to write something. Similarly, meat and meat, MEAT, meat means meat, gosht, and the other is MEET, meat, to see someone. So here we can see that in both examples the pronunciation remains the same but the meanings change. So we can say that in homonyms we have the words having the same pronunciation, we speak them say in the same manner but we write them with different spellings. To clarify this, we can see at the examples. Like here, number 7, may I mail, MAIL mail or MALE mail the letter as soon as you have signed it. So you see that according to the sentence, which is the word that suits here or it is needed here, although both the words are pronounced same, but this is how we have to use our vocabulary, how we have to find the best suitable or pertinent word here for the completion of this line. So may I mail, MAIL mail is the correct usage. This is the needed word here. May I mail the letter as soon as you have signed it, like may I post the letter. And the other mail is like any male, boy, man. So this is how we can see that what are homonyms. Let's see number 8. You must tell the whole, HOLE whole and WHOLE whole, truth and nothing but the truth. So after reading the line, we can very well conjecture that which of the word is needed here. You must tell the whole, WHOLE whole means complete, and the other is whole, that is a hole anywhere. So we can say that WHOLE whole is the right word which is to be written here. So this is another example that clarifies the example of homonyms. Our next term is homographs. Homographs means like a homograph is a word that has the same spelling as another word but a different meaning. Like the alphabets are the same, you may well understand it with the shape of the words, that the shape of the words, the letters, they all are alike, they all are same, but they have different meanings. For example, we are given the example here of the word pump. Pump may mean a type of shoe like the pumps we wear, we put on, and the other is the motor pump. Pump may mean a machine used to compress or raise liquids and gases. So they both are the same words written in the same way, but the sentence clarifies that which pump is meant here, as the both have the same way of writing or pronunciation and spelling as well. So the next example is pole. Pole may mean a long slender object, and pole may mean either end of the earth's axis, like North Pole and South Pole. They are the axis of the earth. So this is the sentence that would mark it that which pole is meant here, although they both have the same graph, they both have the same spellings, like pole, electric pole. So you can well understand that both have the same spellings but meanings are different. So homographs are the words having the same spellings as another word but their meanings are different. Well, we can have another example of uh, here, that most homographs are not only spelled alike but pronounced alike. There are some, however, that are pronounced differently. So there is a variation. Sometimes homographs are pronounced differently, although they have the same spellings. As you see that we talked about homographs, that they are the words that have the same spellings, like both words have the same pattern of spellings, like in pump and pole. But here we have heteronyms that are pronounced differently but having the same spellings. So we can have the example of bow and bow. B-O-W bow and B-O-W bow. They are written in the same way, the same spellings, so they are homographs. But when they sound differently, we can label them as heteronyms. Homo means same and hetero means when there comes a difference. So the spellings are same but they are pronounced differently. So we can have the best example of lead and lead. Like homographs may lead, L-E-A-D, lead means to lead someone, and on the other hand L-E-A-D, lead, that is the name of a metal. So the both have same spellings, but sometimes there are certain words in English vocabulary that are pronounced differently despite having the same spelling pattern. So they are titled as heteronyms. I hope you have quite well understood that what is the difference between a homograph and a heteronym.